Hello everyone, and welcome to Coin Engineers. Today I'm going to talk about the 3 most important things you need to watch out in your futures trade. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. Now let's start with the first and the most important thing. Do not try to open leverage positions without educating yourself first. You might be wondering where to find a free playlist to educate yourself from scratch, and today is your lucky day because we have just that for you. As you can see, we have more than 10 videos, actually 11 videos to be exact, on Binance Futures Tutorial. Now obviously you will need to know more than just Futures Tutorial to become a successful trader, but this is your first step. This is the first playlist you need to watch if you know nothing about future trades. Now obviously you will need to know more than just Futures Tutorial to become a successful trader, and that brings us to our second tip. You definitely have to learn technical analysis. Trying to open futures positions without knowing technical and fundamental analysis is basically like a financial suicide. Again, you're so lucky because we have 24 free videos in our technical analysis playlist. Each and every single one of these videos are made just for you, and they're totally free. And on top of that, if you come across any problems or if you have any questions, you can always ask us in the comments down below of every single video on our channel, and also on our Telegram community global channel, which again you can find the links of in the description box below of this video. Now after completing these 2 amazing playlists, it's time for the final tip. It's the last but definitely not the least. Psychology management is at least as important as knowing technical analysis and futures knowledge, because despite knowing everything, crypto markets are so volatile and the prices are 99% of the time subject to very rapid changes. For that, we usually don't recommend using leverages more than 10x, and also managing your psychology both when you're profiting and also when you're losing money. When your position starts to lose you money, you gotta stay calm and decide a stop loss point. Or maybe you decide you will not put a stop loss point and you will add some liquidity to continue your position. And it's the same for making money. For example, you open the position and you have $50 of profit. If you don't have a psychology management, and if you get excited too fast, you can just close your position seeing $50 as enough. But if you open the prices again and see that if you wouldn't have closed your position, you would make $500, you're gonna feel really bad. You're gonna feel like you lost money. So as I said, managing your psychology is important, not only when you're losing money, but also when you're making money. Now, these all might sound complicated, but trust me, you will know what all of these mean and what you're gonna do in different situations when you finish our playlists. So if we need to sum it all up: 1. Learn about futures trades with our futures tutorial playlist. 2. Learn technical and fundamental analysis with our technical analysis tutorial playlist. And 3. Learn how to control your emotions and manage your psychology with our psychology management video. You'll find all the links to these playlists and also to our psychology management video in the description box below of this video. So that's it. These are the 3 most important things you need to know to start your successful futures trading career. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more educative and entertaining videos and playlists like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.